Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use DApps with MetaMask. First, understand that MetaMask is a secure browser extension, acting as your gateway to the decentralized web. DApps are applications built on blockchain technology, offering new ways to interact online. To begin, ensure your MetaMask wallet is set up and funded with cryptocurrency, as this is essential for all transactions and interactions within the DApp ecosystem. Once you're on a DApps website, locate the Connect Wallet button, often found in the upper right corner. Clicking this will usually present a list of wallet options. Choose MetaMask, and a prompt will appear from your MetaMask extension. This prompt asks for your permission to connect your wallet to the DApp. Review the requested permissions and confirm the connection to proceed. After connecting, you can start interacting with the DApp, whether it's swapping tokens on a decentralized exchange or engaging with other features. For every action that involves your assets, MetaMask will pop up, asking you to confirm the transaction. Always take a moment to carefully review the transaction details, including the amount and gas fees, before you approve it. For your security, always double-check the DApp's URL to ensure it's legitimate and not a phishing scam. Your secret recovery phrase is paramount. Never share it with anyone, ever. Additionally, it's a good practice to disconnect your MetaMask wallet from DApps when you are finished using them, minimizing potential risks and keeping your digital assets safer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.